those claws. Oh my goodness. No wonder they hurt. You want a bigger hole? So you can poke your head through? What a guy. Wild man. How are you this morning? Playful? Feeling good? Hey? That's a good boy. I can see you looking to find things to get into.